Hey guys, Mitch from Switchback Lighting here. About to show you guys how to do a set of VE Series 2, VF Series 1 halo fog lights. So I've got some standard aftermarket fog lights here that we're going to pull apart. These are super easy to do, pretty much. We've got this adjustment rod and we've got these two little clips on either side. So all we really do is start undoing the adjustment rod, which will push shit back up, and we just get a flathead screwdriver in here, pry the clip off on both sides if it'll let me. Yep. And we just keep unscrewing until we're just about at the end there. Make sure your clip doesn't fall back in like this one, and then all you're really going to do is, when that's all the way back through, which it is now, just going to pretty much just wiggle it off, really, and then that's pretty much it. That's taken apart now, so we can put the front bit aside. As you can see, we've got a rubber seal that pretty much seals all the inside from water and whatnot. But pretty much we're going to mount a halo on here. Put our 80mm halos here that will sit on the top, and on this section all we are going to do is drill a hole. We're going to work out roughly where the cable's going to go through. We want to get it pretty spot on. I will measure it and give you guys a measurement, but generally you want the cable to come through the top of the fog light, which, as you can see, this is the top section, so in the middle here, somewhere near the end of this writing here. So, and that'll determine where we actually mount the halo on here, which you can see that this will only go back in one way. So pretty much what I'm going to do is de-pin our halos, because we need to get this through the hole. We're going to cut a little section out of the double-sided tape where the cable comes through, just to bend it up and get it through, and then pretty much stick it on. Generally in fog lights the double-sided tape is enough. I probably will drill a hole through and wrap some fishing line around it too, just to make sure that it's not going to move. So I'm going to do that and I'll get back to you. Alrighty, we are back. So I've mounted a halo. We've got two lots of clear fishing line just to hold it in place. This will be barely noticeable when it's in the light. So we drilled a hole for that. I'll put a bit of glue on the top of it so it won't undo itself. Also drilled a hole. Now this is 25mm from the end. So now essentially we'll feed that through and seal it back up, which is just the reverse of how you took it apart. So we've got this all sealed up pretty much. Your cable's coming out the top here. We need to put the plug back on this, so repin it. We need to test that the halo's all working, and we also need to seal up this hole. So normally to seal these up, because they are behind the bumper, they're not really seen, so you're able to get away with putting a bit of glue around the cable. We don't want water getting in there, so we just pretty much put a bit of glue around the cable. You can use silicone. Obviously it takes a lot longer to dry than sort of super glue or anything like that. These white marks just come off. I'll give it a wipe afterwards with some alcohol, but that's all sealed up now, so pretty much that's ready to go. Just need to put the halo plugs back on. If I'm able to. Sometimes you do have to poke the pins back from the other side so you can get your nail underneath them to bend the pins back up. So that's just so that cores grab onto something in the plug and they don't fall out. So bring them back up. With our plug here. So repin this. D-pinning we went through in the other Halo video, X-Halo video for the VF. So now, just gonna make sure everything works. Plug him in, turn the unit on, and there we go. So we've got our Halo. So we're just gonna pop an LED in here for the customer that that's purchased, and I'm gonna clean this top up, the white stuff. But that's it. That's Halo headlights for VE Series 2. VE Series 1 is a lot different and a lot harder to do. These are nice and easy. Obviously splitting them is super easy. So yeah, it's a bit of a good if you're a Series 2 owner. If you're a Series 1 owner, they're a lot harder. I most likely will do a video on that. They take a lot longer, but these take about 10 minutes to make. 10-15 minutes. And fairly cheap to do, so you can buy a Halo kit on our website and pretty much install it into your existing ones or new ones. So, but yeah,